Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Reliance Jio launches Jio Motive for smart cars, Snapchat focuses on empowering AR creators and users, OpenAI unveils GPT-4 Turbo language model, Binny Bansal to launch AI as a service startup, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Flipkart co-founder Binny Bansal is preparing to launch an AI as a service startup targeting global clients. The startup will provide AI expertise, products and services to corporate clients aiming to emulate established outsourcing providers like Tata Consultancy Services and Infosys. Bansal, an IIT Delhi alumnus, has successfully diversified Flipkart's product offerings and navigated challenges such as competition from international e-commerce giants and regulatory hurdles. He has also contributed to other startups like PhonePe and Cure Foods. Next we have OpenAI has launched a platform allowing users to create customized versions of its AI chatbot, ChatGPT. The platform is exclusively available to ChatGPT Plus subscribers and enables users to guide how they want a GPT to interact with people before it is published. Users have access to web browsing, DALL-E, and OpenAI's code interpreter tool for writing and executing software. OpenAI's new platform aims to compete with other AI bot platforms but places a focus on functional aspects. OpenAI has introduced the GPT-4 Turbo language model trained with data up to April 2023. The model offers a 128,000 context window and it cost efficient for developers, with input costing $0.01 per 1000 tokens. It supports image prompts, text-to-speech requests, and DALL-E 3, offering a versatile language model for various applications. OpenAI plans to provide copyright indemnity to enterprise users, aligning with practices of tech giants like Microsoft and Google. Gujarat-based Matter is set to deliver India's first electric motorcycle with a manual gearbox by next year. The company previously faced delays but is preparing to start production in the next quarter. Matter has collaborated with key suppliers in Ahmedabad for motors, electronics, battery packs, and vehicle assemblies. The company has taken proactive steps to ensure a stable supply chain by securing long-term orders and signing strategic agreements. Snapchat boasts over 250 million daily AR augmented reality users and aims to empower creators and provide monetization opportunities. The platform seeks to become a global AR hub, reducing barriers to creativity and allowing users to engage with immersive AR experiences. In India, where 95% of Gen Z individuals are interested in AR for shopping, Snap launched the Lens Creator Rewards program in August. This highlights Snapchat's commitment to supporting AR creators and users, providing them with tools and incentives. Next up we have Sportsbazi, an Indian online gaming platform aims to capture a significant market share. CEO Parth Sharma's strategy focuses on innovation, engagement, and community building. The platform offers innovative gaming formats and aims to build a robust community of sports enthusiasts through content and social engagement. Sportsbazi is investing heavily in technology, employing advanced algorithms and AI-powered analytics, and partnering with major sports leagues and tournaments for exclusive content. At last, Reliance Jio has launched Jio Motive, a plug-and-play device that transforms conventional cars into smart ones. Priced at Rs 4,999, it offers features such as location tracking and theft alerts, along with internet connectivity access. The device is equipped with an eSIM and offers features like geofencing and time fence. Jio Motive is especially useful for older or base model vehicles, enhancing their capabilities with smart features. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉर्ट में।